Hello, dear student. This is Rajwant Singh, and today I am going to explain the chapter second in English grammar, the nouns. I have told you already some definitions in this chapter that you you know very well, but some remaining parts of this chapter is so I am going to explain that part that is remaining. So, dear student, you know the noun. I have told you the noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. If you say any name, any person's name, any city name, that all are the nouns. For example, Ram, Syam, Mohan, and Geeta, Zita, Gorakhpur, Delhi, Lucknow, etc. and etc. Every name is called the noun. So, dear student, after this, we have to know about the types of noun. Types of nouns. That how many types of nouns are there? Generally, we all know that there are 5 types of nouns. 5 types. Proper noun, common noun, material noun, abstract noun, and collective noun. These are 5 types of noun. So, dear student, see this. Proper noun, second, common noun, third, collective noun, and the fourth, abstract noun, and the fifth, material noun. These are 5 types of nouns. So, I think you all know about these things. Already you know the definitions of these types of nouns. So, dear student, we will know about all the types in detail. First, proper noun. Second, common noun. Third, collective noun. Fourth, abstract noun. And fifth, material noun. Dear student, you know proper noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing that is particular. You can say the particular name of person, place, animal, or thing that is called proper noun. And the common noun, when we use a common noun denotes a person, place, or thing in general. For example, boy, city, mountain, monument, etc. etc. And the collective noun denotes a collection of people, animals, or things. For example, army, herd, bunch, etc. etc. So, dear student, the next is abstract noun. Abstract noun, here this is in fourth. Abstract noun denotes a quality, an action, or a state of being. For example, wisdom, honesty, wickedness, etc. etc. And the material noun, there is fifth kind of material noun, which names the material of which things are made. So, dear student, a material noun denotes the matter or substances of which things are made. For example, jute, copper, paper, wood, glass, iron, silver. From that material we made the new other one. For example, if we say silver, with the silver we made many type of ornaments, rings, and etc. etc. So, dear student, we will know this about some detailed parts. So, see this. A proper noun denotes a particular. Proper noun denotes a particular person, place, animal, or thing. This is the proper noun. If we say, for example, Ram, Ram, Italy, etc. etc. This is the proper noun. Totally, with the example, you know this. And after this, the second one, common noun. Common noun. I have told you the definition of common noun already. But see this again. It denotes a person, place, denotes a person, place, animal, or thing in general. If we talk about example, then we can say, for example, boy, city, mountain, monument. Boy, city, monument, etc. etc. This is the definition of common noun. And the third, collective noun. Two types are done. We have to see the third, collective nouns. What is collective noun? It denotes the collection of people, animals, or things. Denotes a collection of people, it denotes the collection of people, animals, or things. This is the definition. If we say example, army, herd, bunch, etc. etc. Army, herd, bunch, etc. etc. In this, if we say about army, army is the group of soldiers, and the herd is the group of animals, and bunch is the group of fruits. For example, if we say bunch of grapes. So, dear student, this is the collective noun. And the next, abstract noun. What is abstract noun? What is abstract noun? Abstract noun denotes the quality and action or state of being. Denotes a quality denotes a quality, action or state. And action or state of being. If we say, for example, if we talk about example, then some examples are available for this. Wisdom, honesty, weakness, wisdom, honesty, etc. and etc. And the last, fifth, material noun. A material noun denotes the matter or substance of which things are made. For example, jute, copper, paper, wood, glass, from which we can make the other thing. That is called material noun. So, dear student, that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you.